Hi guys, so last year I made the scariest decision of my life. I took everything, all my savings, everything I'd worked for, and I poured it into a dream. I rebranded Beauty by Day From Care. No investors, no backup plan, just me, my faith, and a vision I couldn't let go of. People see the brand now, but they didn't see the beginning. I turned my own room in Lagos into a warehouse, literally, and I was squatting with my mom. My personal space became stacked boxes, inventory counts, and late nights of building something bigger than me. You all know I'm a hairstylist, and I've spent years with my hands in this craft, laying frontals, perfecting airlines, learning exactly what I know this industry needs. So when I built Beauty by Day From Care, it wasn't a guess. It was everything I know, poured into a product I could stand behind, and I didn't stop at Lagos, guys. Last year, if you remember, we opened our warehouse in America. Today, my products are in hands of women in the US, London, across Europe and Africa. Literally, wholesale orders have gone out to different parts of Africa. A brand that started in my bedroom is now crossing oceans. I manage this entire pipeline from manufacturing to distribution to marketing. So every part of this brand has passed through my hands. I decided today to pack another wholesale order, and I'm delivering it myself because I carried this dream when nobody was watching. The least I can do is carry it now that the world is. So if you're watching this and you're scared to bet on yourself, hear me. Your room is not too small to build a global brand. Your hands are not too small to build something great. Start where you are. Stay when it's hard. God literally, and I'm not kidding, He honors the work that nobody sees. I'm still that girl, just for the long. So yeah, Beauty by Day From Care, guys. Built by my hand, grown by God's grace, and we still ship worldwide.